Hi everyone! Today we are making cacik. It is a Turkish yogurt cucumber dip, one of the best side dishes in Turkish cuisine. Such a tasty dish that makes your mouth water even when making it. With the refreshing ingredients in it, cacik. Yes, this is how we pronounce it. I know it sounds funny when you repeat it. Try and see it yourself. Okay. Cacik is a staple dish in Turkish cuisine. Although there might be slight differences, it is mainly the same as Greek tzatziki. You can't imagine how easy and simple yet so addictive cacik is. We pair it with almost anything, like white bean stew and rice, all kinds of kebabs like lamb kebabs or köfte kebabs, meatballs, and even with menemen. You know menemen, right? Eggs cooked with tomatoes and peppers. Cacik and menemen together make one of the tastiest lunches ever. We have the recipe for menemen on the blog, so if you haven't tried it yet, go check it out. So what does cacik really mean? In Turkish, cacik as a word means super green and fresh. As the name suggests, with the combination of cucumber and yogurt, this cucumber dip is super refreshing. And what do we need to make cacik? Besides yogurt and cucumber, we need dried mint, garlic, salt, and a little water. We prefer strained yogurt, also known as Greek-style yogurt, for a thicker dip, but it's okay to use regular homemade yogurt. You need a little water if you use strained yogurt, but you don't need it if you use homemade yogurt. We find dried mint more flavorful than the fresh one, so we always use dried mint. But sometimes we use finely chopped fresh mint or fresh dill in the recipe too. Fresh dill is an alternative herb that can be used in cacik. As for garlic, well, it is optional and you can leave it out if you don't like the taste of it. We don't like it too garlicky, so we mostly prefer using just 1 clove of garlic, finely mashed or pureed. How do you make Turkish cacik? Basically, we just combine everything in a mixing bowl and serve it in small individual bowls. Put 1 cup of yogurt in a mixing bowl. Add in half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dried mint. Pour about a 1/4 cup of cold water and mix well. Now add in 1 clove of mashed garlic and mix well. Finally, add in half cup of chopped cucumber. Give it a good stir. At this point, you can taste it and adjust the amount of salt. Now share it in smaller bowls. Drizzle a little olive oil over it. Sprinkle extra dried mint and optionally sprinkle red pepper flakes and sumac right before serving. Adding red pepper flakes and sumac is not a very common way of serving cacik, but they perfectly complement the dip. Unlike Greek tzatziki, we never remove the seeds of cucumber when making cacik. It might be because of the types of cucumbers in Turkey. Their seeds are already super tiny and you don't even feel them in the dip. If the seeds of the cucumber you are using are too big, and if you don't want them in your cacik, just remove them before chopping. Besides being a mouth-watering side dish, this yogurt sauce with cucumber can be eaten on its own as an appetizer or a meze, accompanying other snacks to serve with beer or rakı. Believe it or not, it is the first meze to disappear on the table. As for the topping, although it's optional, a drizzle of olive oil takes the dip to the next level. We can have it every single day with every single meal this way. So this is our go-to side dish. Easy to make with simple ingredients and refreshing cacik. We have the full recipe on our blog, giverecipe.com. If you need more side dishes like this, you might also like our shepherd salad, çoban salatası, sumac onions, sumaklı soğan, and rice pilav with orzo, şehriyeli pirinç pilavı. Thank you so much for being with us here today. If you have a chance to make this cacik recipe, don't forget to take a photo of it and share with us on Instagram. See you in the next video.